Hey everyone, John Henry here from School of Trade. Today we're going to be taking a look at a wedge breakout here on the S&P. Just got the fill, 58.75. The stop in this case, I'm going to put this above the highs because that would be true invalidation that I am wrong back up. So 62.75 is going to be the primary objective here in terms of the stop. Now, for the move down, we're really looking for some decent kind of movement based off of this initial drive down. Now, I do think it's unrealistic to expect a move based off of that drive down. We may eventually get down that far, but that's a really, really big move. It's going to be hard to get, a move or a target out of something like that fills within the same day, right? You'd be looking for that kind of move to get filled maybe tomorrow or the next day. So because I don't want to sit in this trade for the next 7 hours, I'm going to start for this move right here, starting at that high point and coming down and looking for that one as my objective. Kind of an intermediary little swing, but looking for the drive down at 58.75. And because we're using an intermediary one, we don't really have to front run because it's just based off of a smaller swing. The main objective and what a huge amount of the sellers are going to be looking for is really just movement based off of this huge move down. Now, again, I'm not a huge fan of looking for that, that gargantuan move lower. Not really a big fan of sitting in trades for that long, but I will definitely be looking for this to follow up off of that initial drive. So fairly close to a one-to-one type move here. Stop is back at 62.75. Now, in terms of movement, once we see how this candle closes, right, because this is our entry candle, really need to see what they want to do. Are we in line with all of the other sellers? Do they want to pile drive this lower? Do they want to reverse it right back up? Depending on what they want to do here, that's when we'll move our stop. So right now I'm kind of seeing that 62.75 as somewhat of a catastrophic stop because I don't plan on keeping it there for very long. So we'll let the sellers kind of choose what they want to do here. We do have some support below us at 57. Would really love to see us break through that level, especially if we can close underneath it. That'll add a lot of confidence. So at the moment, we'll wait to see what the sellers want to do. Otherwise, we're looking for our target at 54.5. Big push down, already one tick away from our target. There's no sense in leaving our stop floating anymore. So we will drop the stop to a break even and a profitable position here at 58.50. Now, I wasn't necessarily anticipating that all going in one candle, but hey, I'll take it, We are one tick away from our target, 54.5. Now, because we've come so close and it's been all in one big candle, I can't really move my stop any closer at the moment until we either get more candle formation, tested no fill, or we're able to just get out like we had right there. So we get the target filled. Beautiful, beautiful drop lower. It seems to be we were in line with all of the other big sellers and they wanted to do the exact same thing. So we drove that market lower, got that nice drop right into our target there at 54.5, and that's going to do it for me. So nice, quick, easy in, easy out, all the way back down on that wedge breakout, just following up the move that we saw this morning. Huge drive lower. You're probably going to see the sellers take a little bit of profit, cause a little bit of back and forth, and then drop it again. So sellers definitely own this market. So that's going to do it for me. If you have any questions about it, feel free to send an email to School of Trade. Don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com. And as always, we'll catch you next time.